It's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. It comes with great features you love: auto-dimming rearview mirror, Honda Link, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, V6 engine, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth hands-free link, external memory control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and refrigerated box located in the console. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.